Lentimama Stadium, Narok County. Here the leadership of Narok County and area residents convened to mark a year of Patrick Ole Ntutu's leadership. Here Ntutu's administration will take stock of his administration's 10-point agenda.
For the last 1 year, we have been able to cover a total of 1,676 kilometers of roads.
Ntutu noting that the health sector has improved with increased number of healthcare services, improved infrastructure and availability of essential supplies.
In that regard, we have increased essential medicine and medical supplies budget from the 120 million per year to 360 million a year.
Conservation of the Mara ecosystem, Ntutu noted, has yielded results, with the county recording increased revenue in tourism. Collaboration, targeted development and deliberate improvement of service delivery has seen the county's revenue collection grow from 1.3 billion to 3.1 billion in the last 1 year.
To enhance revenue collection through the digitization of our payment system, I am pleased to announce the official of Narok County Revenue Bank, the first of its kind.
During the day that also saw the launch of the Accountability Forum, Ntutu launched road infrastructure machinery. His Bomet counterpart, who graced the event, said the machineries will also assist neighboring counties of Bomet, calling upon other leaders to emulate Governor Ole Ntutu's leadership.
As governors, lazima tusimame pamoja and we learn from each other. And that is what we need in our leadership. Kuna mambo ambayo nimeweza kusoma nikiwa mahali hapa.
Lakini ile kitu mlikuwa nakosa ni uongozi mzuri. Ndio mlikuwa nakosa. Na saa hii sasa mmepata uongozi mzuri. Mmepata ule mtu ambaye anataka kufanya kazi kwa njia ya uwazi.
Pauline Nasimiu for Prime Edition.